Just beats, VC. That's in the track.
And I was like, why are you so obsessed with me?
MC to MC.
All up in the blog, saying we met at the bar when I don't even know who you are. Saying we up in your house, saying I'm up in your car. But you in LA, and I'm out at your mains. I'm up in the A, you so lame. And no one here even mentions your name. It must be the weed, it must be the E. Cause you be poppin', heard you get it poppin'. Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying that you're sexing me when everybody knows. It's clear that you're upset with me. Oh, finally found a girl that you couldn't impress. Last man on the earth still couldn't get this. You're delusional, boy, you're losing your mind. It's confusing, yo, you're confused, you know. Why you wasting your time? Got you all fired up with your Napoleon complex. See it right through you like you're bathing in Windex.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts till they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a Watts. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in a grave.
Couple figures, kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big tipple. I got the hook up and it really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA.
Why don't you do right like some other man?
Damn, such a shame.
Get out of here.
Post home.
Get me some money too.
See, I got these dudes calling me every damn day. Even if they married, got a family, the whole shebang, they still come my way. And they like to buy me shit, thinking I'ma take you serious? Come on now, dick. I don't get aroused by cheating and a fatherless kid. You unfaithful as it is, I'ma play with your mind. Let you think your trick ways is gonna get you some alone time. That ain't gonna happen soon, cause by noon I'm on your last buck. And you're praying for luck for my trust. But it's a must that I turn you down. You persistent, like to stick around. I like to use you and still treat you like a clown, cause you no good. Thinking I'ma give in to those lies and those pretty eyes, but you still crooked on the side. So go get me some dough, cause I'm running low. Just leave it on the table, walk out the front door.
Why don't you do right like some other man? Get out of here.
How about you get the fuck out of here?
Get me some money.
And give me some money too while you're at it. Come on. I'll fuck with his head if he tries to fuck with mine. A lot of